Recommended Ryzen 3 3200G CPU under Rs 30,000 for productivity and casual gaming. CPU AMD Ryzen 3 3200G with Radeon Vega 8 graphics, desktop processor, 4 cores up to 4 GHz and RAID stealth heatsink fan. Motherboard Asus Prime B450MA2 DDR4 Micro ATX. RAM Kingston Fury 16 GB 2x8 GB 3200 MHz DDR4 Fury Beast. SSD Western Digital WD Blue SN570 NVMe 500 GB 3500 MB per second. Power supply Corsair CB450 80 plus bronze certified 450 watts power supply. Cabinet and eSports ICE 311MT mid-tower ATX computer case. Prices mentioned are as on April 2023 and are subject to change. Buying from offline stores is a better option and you would certainly save some money in your PC bill. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.